I can go other places, folks. All right, we got it going on. Now, we have a lot to talk about, ladies and gentlemen. A lot to talk about. This past month, all around the world, the Chinese have been celebrating the Chinese New Year. This is a big deal. And this time, I don't know if you're aware, but this time it's the Year of the Dog. That's right, this is the Year of the Dog. And we here at Late Night, we thought, who better to report on the Year of the Dog than our old friend, Triumph, the inside comic dog. Right? If you're going to have someone report on the Year of the Dog, it should be Triumph. Now, no one was more excited about the Year of the Dog than Triumph, so we sent him down to the New Year's celebration in New York City's Chinatown. God help us all. Here's what happened.
How you doing? It's my year. My year. It's my year. I'm taking this. It's my year. My year. How are you? The year of me. Yeah, you better be afraid. I'm taking this because it's my year. How you doing? It's my year. Hi, I'm just going to take your hat, okay? Can I have your hat? Thank you. It's my year. Okay, take it back. Here, have this. It's disgusting. I don't want it. I don't want it. It's nauseating. What is this? Any idea?
Squid.
You want it?
No.
Want some squid? Just taking one of these, okay? Bella? Big guy, I'm taking one of these. All right? It's my year. Okay? Take care.
No.
Little help? No. It's my year. I got it. We got this crap. This. Want to take this thing. Okay, what's this? Wait. Yeah. Okay, wait. How can I tell that this handbag is a genuine crappy knockoff as opposed to a knockoff of a crappy knockoff? Okay, take this and take this. That was terrific. Happy New Year to you. My year. Horn of deer, shark cartilage, lamb placenta. Where's the hard stuff? Seriously. Champ, help me out. The boner powder, extra strong. I want the stuff that Tom Cruise uses to get hard for women. Opium. Yeah. 2 opiums, please. What's this stuff here? This looks good. Okay, this will do. Oh my God. That's like Corey Feldman good. Oh, yes. Ancient Chinese music still sounds as painful as it did thousands of years ago. My year! The way this crowd is partying, it could be hours before anyone gets their food delivered, yes? Dither, hather, dither, hand job, dither, said he was a chick, dither. You know I kid these Chinese, but I really have a lot of respect for them. I'll have the chicken feet and you'll have me, right? Kid, you don't eat dogs, right? This is a misconception. Not that it's a big deal. I mean, hell, I've eaten a few dogs myself. Just they don't die. You know what I mean? If you get my... They go to heaven, but they don't die. We have a lot more in common than we might have imagined. I have a lot of sex. Animals. What's this?
Yeah, gizzards.
Gizzards, yes. This looks kind of good, almost like a brownie. What's this?
This pork blood.
Pork blood?
Yeah.
This is like the stomach of a cow? So let me ask you, How does it work in your country on Fear Factor? Do you dare a person not to eat this? Okay, so this is good. I want to demonstrate my solidarity right now. This is great. I've got the chicken feet, and I've smothered it in gizzard, and now I am putting the blood, the pork on it, ready to taste it. Okay, fellas, to mutual understanding. Here we go. No. Oh boy. You feel free to sell that stuff. What do you got? What's here?
Here.
What? So you stick things into this guy, point to puncture. Well, can you do anything about this? No. Yes, I get it. Needles, great. I haven't had something that small pushed into me since I was Benji's personal assistant. See, Benji had a small pink thing. Forget it. Give me one in my tongue. Give me one in the tongue.
Which one? Yes,
Just do it. Just do it. Right in the tongue. Harder. Really stick it in there. Get it? Come on, man. Okay, forget it. Downstairs. Give me one downstairs. Yeah. Know what I'm saying? Downstairs. In the Forbidden City. Come on, do it. Do it. And stop smiling when you do it. Call me a pig. Call me a scumbag. Come on. Scumbag. Say it. Scum. Listen to me. Can you say it? Scum. Scumbag. Say it. Scumbag. You scumbag. Say it. Loud, mean. You scumbag. 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 Good. Better. Okay, we'll put this on. That's good. Put it on. Yeah, I know. Put this on. Harder. Press him. Press down. Press down. Call me a piece of crap. I'm garbage. Garbage. I'm garbage. Yes. You're going to wipe your ass with me. How do you say that in Chinese? I wipe my ass with you. Wipe ass. Wipe ass. Wipe ass. Not garbage. Say wipe ass. Wipe. You're going to wipe my ass with me. You're going to wipe your ass with me. Say it. Garbage. No. Wipe my ass. You're going to wipe your ass with me. Say you're going to wipe your ass. Damn it. I'm so close.
今年的发车站游行由繁荣华埠社主办，有10多部热爱传统。
I have cow stomach for you. 1, 2, 3.
Triumph! The insult comic
It's
dog.
my year.
Your year. All right, we'll take a break when we come back. Bob Costas is here. Stay right here.